We have a Mori-Seiki horizontal machining center, model NH4000 DCG, serial number NH401JE2943. Machine was new in 2010. We're going to run it for you. Has 400 or 400 millimeter pallets, 15.7 by 15.7, 22 inches of X travel.
4,000 RPM on the spindle.
It has from 0 to 14,000 RPM. Right now we're running at 4,000 RPM. You have 22 inches of X, 22 of Y, and 24.8 of Z. 6,000 RPM.
That's 8,000.
8,000. Okay. You have a tool changer, which is a 60 ATC. We're going to simulate a tool change. Oh, there you go. We're going to open the door again. Okay. We're going to run the axes around.
Can we do a pallet change?
Oh, okay, do a pallet change. There's 2 pallets. Again, they're 400 millimeter pallets. Round and round they go. Another one. Okay. We're going to do the axes. We're going to start running the pallet around. Okay, again, it's 1 degree index. All right. Jog the axes. That's your Z. We're going to move the headstock up and down to your Y. And we're going to move, that's your X. So you've heard X, Y, Z, and B. All right, show the control. That's the MSX 701V. FANUC back end. Hey, so you've seen everything move, you've seen it all go, and hey, thank you for watching our video.